Are you looking for a creamy, delicious drink that actually helps support healthy blood sugar levels, keeps you full longer, and tastes like a healthy dessert? Today, I'm sharing one of my favorite diabetic-friendly smoothies made with avocado, roasted flaxseed, yogurt, and a few simple ingredients that come together into a powerful, healthy drink. This smoothie is rich, naturally sweetened, packed with fiber, healthy fats, and nutrients your body will love. It's quick to make, satisfying, and perfect for breakfast, a healthy snack, or even a light meal replacement. And the best part, this recipe uses simple ingredients you may already have at home. Let's make this creamy avocado flaxseed smoothie together. Here's everything we're using today. 1 ripe avocado, 2 tablespoons roasted flaxseed, ground 1 tablespoon plain, yogurt, 1 teaspoon apple cider, vinegar, 1/2 teaspoon vanilla, extract 1 tablespoon monk fruit sweetener, and half of cold water or almond milk. That's it. Simple, healthy, and diabetes-friendly ingredients. Before we blend everything together, let's talk about why these ingredients are so powerful, especially for people trying to support stable blood sugar, healthy digestion, and better energy throughout the day. First, we have avocado, one of the healthiest foods you can add to your diet. Avocados are loaded with healthy monounsaturated fats that help keep you full longer and may help slow down sugar absorption after meals. That's especially important for people managing diabetes or trying to avoid blood sugar spikes. Avocados are also naturally low in sugar and high in fiber. Fiber supports digestion and helps the body process carbohydrates more slowly. They also contain potassium, magnesium, vitamin E, and antioxidants that support heart health and overall wellness. And let's be honest, avocado makes this smoothie incredibly creamy and satisfying. Next is roasted ground flaxseed, a small ingredient with huge health benefits. Flaxseed is packed with fiber and omega-3 fatty acids. Fiber is one of the best nutrients for people with diabetes because it can help support steady blood sugar levels and improve digestion. Flaxseed may also help reduce cravings because it keeps you feeling fuller longer. The healthy fats in flaxseed support heart health, and that's important because heart health and blood sugar health are closely connected. Roasting the flaxseed lightly gives it a warm, nutty flavor that tastes amazing in this smoothie. Plain yogurt adds creaminess, protein, and probiotics. Protein helps stabilize hunger and can help prevent energy crashes later in the day. The probiotics in yogurt support gut health, and a healthy gut plays an important role in overall wellness and metabolism. Just make sure to use plain, unsweetened yogurt to avoid added sugars. apple cider vinegar is another powerful ingredient. Some studies suggest apple cider vinegar may help support healthy blood sugar responses after meals. You only need a small amount because it's very strong, but it adds a fresh, tangy flavor that balances the creaminess of the avocado beautifully. Vanilla gives this smoothie a delicious dessert-like flavor without adding sugar. And instead of regular sugar, we're using monk fruit sweetener. Monk fruit sweetener is popular among people with diabetes because it provides sweetness without causing the same blood sugar spikes as regular sugar. Now let's put everything together. Add the avocado into your blender or juice grinder. Then add the roasted ground flaxseed, plain yogurt, apple cider vinegar, vanilla, and monk fruit sweetener. Blend everything together until smooth and creamy. If you want it thinner, you can add a little cold water, unsweetened almond milk, or ice. Once it's smooth, pour it into your favorite glass. Look at that creamy texture. Absolutely delicious. Now let's talk about why this smoothie can be a smart option for people with diabetes. This drink contains healthy fats, fiber, and protein. That combination helps slow digestion and may help reduce sudden blood sugar spikes compared to sugary drinks or processed snacks. Unlike many store-bought smoothies loaded with sugar, this recipe focuses on whole ingredients and natural sweetness. The avocado and flaxseed help increase fullness, which may also help reduce overeating and cravings later in the day. Of course, everyone's body is different, so it's always important to monitor your own blood sugar and speak with your healthcare provider about what works best for you. This smoothie is perfect for breakfast, as a healthy snack, after a workout, or whenever you want something filling and nutritious. Because it contains healthy fats and fiber, it can keep you satisfied for hours. Healthy eating does not have to be boring or complicated. Simple ingredients can create powerful meals and drinks that support your health goals while still tasting amazing. If you enjoyed this recipe, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below telling me if you'd try this avocado flaxseed smoothie. And remember, small healthy choices every day can make a big difference over time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next healthy recipe video.